Hello guys, review Infinix Hot 50, this version 8GB memory and 256GB internal memory. Okay. Open box, look completion, we have NFC, splash proof, Helio G100 processor, 120Hz. Okay. And in completion we have protected back cover, adapter for charging and Type-C cable. Turn on. Okay, display we have IPS, Full HD Plus resolution, 120Hz. On this side power button, warm bottoms, downside Type-C. On this side slot for SIM cards. Speaker, headphones jack we have, okay, open settings. We have XOS and Android 14. Close it. Open Geekbench 6. CPU Helio J100, GPU Mali G57MC2, look results, single core score, multi-core score results, GPU test results, and look Antutu benchmark. Okay, very good results in Antutu benchmark, close this. PUBG Mobile works on the medium graphic level, okay. And now I show you photos on the main camera, let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.